How to fix TikTok filters not working. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, open your TikTok application and hold it and simply go to apps info. Once you are here, you have to go for permissions and make sure all the permissions are allowed. Allow all of them. Once you have done this, you have to go for storage and cache, clear cache, and the next is clear storage. So if this didn't work on your phone, so you have to go to Play Store and simply search for TikTok and see if there is any update available. Make sure to update it. So I hope this video will help you out. So this is how to fix TikTok filters not working.